How much do you know about the school you're attending? If you're anything like me, it's not a lot. We're attending the University of Alaska Fairbanks, located in the heart of Alaska in Fairbanks. But in our short time here, we only know about the barest details about the founding of this campus. The Rasmussen Library is an incredible resource for finding incredible information about UAF and any topics that you need to research, and it's conveniently located on UAF campus. UAF is an institution that is over 100 years old and is worth learning more about. I will cover the founding of UAF, its location, and what it is known for now. UAF was founded in 1917, known under the name of the Alaska Agricultural College and School of Mines. In 1915, Congress granted the college land in the Tanana Valley, and it's one of the last land-grant institutions in the U.S. The college eventually settled on Trothyeta. The university has now gone back to being known as the Trothyeta campus. UAF is the name we know it by now, but it remains the Alaska Agricultural College and School of Mines until 1935, when Alaska legislature changed it to the University of Alaska. The founding of the school, however, would not have been possible without the location. UAF sits in the traditional land of the Dana people of the lower Tanana River. The campus name of UAF is Trothyeta, but is commonly called University Hill. Trothyeta is the Athabascan name for the hill, and according to the UAF Trothyeta initiative, quote, Troth is the plant, Hycidium alpinum, in English known as Indian potato or wild carrot, and Yeda means its ridge or its hill, end quote. The Athabascan people in Alaska have been here as far back as 35,000 years, when they came to Alaska via the Bering Strait land bridge, according to the Minto Mapping Project. Athabascan is another name for the Dana people. Athabascan, in Athabascan, means man or people, so it's a name that makes a lot of sense. Quote, in 1994, the late Chief Peter John of Minto said Athabascan people long ago would gather on Trothyeta to advise and talk to one another, end quote. UAF campuses in Trothyeta. Today, UAF now acknowledges that traditional space is a place for learning and for growth. UAF in Trothyeta is situated in the heart of AK, and many people choose UAF for the location alone and for the incredible research opportunities. Quote, at 120 miles south of the Arctic Circle, the Fairbanks campus is well situated for northern research. UAF research excels in Arctic biology, engineering, geophysics, supercomputing, and Alaska Native studies, according to the UAF research page, end quote. The leading research at UAF, however, is the Arctic biology, the Geophysical Institute, and Alaska Satellite Institute, to name a few. Students come from around the world to obtain degrees and partake in these incredible research programs. But some of these research programs do not lie on the UAF campus. Quote, Poker Flat Research Range is the world's only scientific rocket launching facility owned by a university. Poker Flat is operated by UAF's Geophysical Institute under contract to NASA's Wallops Flight Facility, part of the Goddard Space Flight Center. The Poker Flat Research Range and info page, end quote. Another one is the Large Animal Research Station, which is found just off campus. It houses, cares for, and conducts research on Arctic animals. A third is the Georgeson Botanical Gardens, which is also located just off campus. It is an incredible research for students and locals to figure out what plants can and cannot grow in Fairbanks' harsh conditions. Through various areas of research, UAF is a veritable stronghouse of information. The UAF is one of those institutions which is more than meets the eye. They have expansive history, a meaningful location, and extensive research programs. It is an old institution, and learning about it is valuable and worth the time. The perseverance in the harsh conditions of the weather of Fairbanks in the winter, UAF continues to grow and thrive.